come through Freetress Equal. Let's review this Valencia wig and a mini makeover. So hi you guys, now that I am back and I decided to finish my makeup off camera, I am going to finish my look with Ame Unique Cosmetics and this color here, Jazz Band. You guys can see that. And I'm just going to go ahead on and apply it all over my lips, and then we're going to get into what I have for you guys, a wig review. Yes, we're about to get into a wig review. So let me apply this lipstick and I'll get right back. So now that I have applied Ame Unique Cosmetics' newest color, Jazz Band, yes, yes. So let's get into this review. And today I have for you guys Freetress Equal 5-inch lace part wig, and this one here is in the shade 1B. Let's pop this baby open, and this is how it comes. It is super long, super long, and this is what it looks like. Hopefully you guys can see. Hopefully the light isn't so bad. And this is Freetress Equal 5-inch lace part wig. The name is Valencia, and I have it in the color 1B, and it comes in so many other colors. Let's see. Oh, and guess what? It's curling iron safe. Yes, that's what I like. I love a synthetic wig that is curling iron safe, and this is safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I don't know. So let's get into details. It comes with 2 combs, and a comb in the back. It also has adjustable straps, and get into this parting space. Look at that. Get into that parting space. It's so natural, and it has like room for you to pluck it if you want to, but I don't think we're gonna have to pluck it. Just apply some concealer to it and we'll be good. Let's see, so y'all can see what this looks like. This is a 5-inch parting space. Okay, equal, I see you, I see you. This almost looks like you got a fresh sew-in. Now, this isn't a lace wig, it just has a lace parting space. So let's see how this goes, and I'm going to try this on for you guys. It's my first time trying this on, so I don't know what it looks like. I saw it on a mannequin in the store and I was like, oh my god, look how flat that is. I wish I would have left like some of my hair out, but it'll be okay. This is just a show and tell so you guys can see what it looks like. Now I see there is this, I hope y'all can see that, this little piece right here. I'm not feeling that, so maybe I can put some concealer on that and blend it a little bit. I was looking for something that I can wear with all the many hats that I own and whatnot, and I think this would be perfect to rock and wear. It's so silky. Okay, I got a few tangles, but I think that's because of the way I put it on. But look at it, I feel like I got a fresh sew-in. And this wig cost me $32.99, and I saw it on a few other sites and it was around the same price, and some had it for like in the 20s and whatnot, but I'll search for it and I'll put the links down below for you guys to go and check it out. But in the meantime, thumbs up this video, thumbs up this makeup look that I just did for you guys, and let's see. Oh my god, look at this. I'm gonna bring all the hair to the front. Bring it all to the front. I feel like with this, if I want to have it as a side part, I can, because it doesn't have the lace, so I'm able to move it around and switch it a little bit. Well, no, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of my foundation, just a little bit, just to see what it does, or if I need to change it out, so and whatnot. Let's see. But it has like a skin-like part, if you guys can see that. But I'm gonna do how long that is, and I'm still going. I'm like, okay, have I reached the end yet? And I haven't reached the end yet. Let's add some more. Okay, wow, look how long this part is. Wow, that is crazy. And I'm gonna just go ahead and blend that in a little bit with my fingers. Look at that. Whoa. Wow. I guess they added this piece, this little piece right here, because it comes down. Like the rest of the hair goes this way, but it's like these two little pieces that come like that. So maybe I can use that for a baby hair effect. Now my hair is already flat under here, so that's why you can see like it's really flat right up here, and I don't have to add anything to it, you know. So I'm gonna let you see how long this goes. It goes about right here, almost. I'm 5'3", so a little by my belly button a little bit, and this is it to the front. And so I'm gonna bring it to the back to show you guys how long it is in the back. Let's see. Hopefully y'all can see this. I'm gonna use my mirror to make sure I'm at least in the camera. So this is how long it is. So this reaches, let me fix my clothes. So this reaches Wow, this reaches all the way down to my butt. So it's really long. Yeah, I'm feeling it. Okay. Now bring this back to the front, because I am feeling this wig. Oh, and I bet it's beautiful if I was to put it in a ponytail. Look at that. Oh yes, this is nice. For $32.99, and it feels so good. It's so silky, but it's not silky to where it looks thin, if that makes sense, because it's really full. It's really full. So I'm gonna bring it all back to the front. What this looks like, because I can move it. Oh, magic. Now it has these tabs, so maybe I can't move it, but I can. No more. So this is me just moving it slightly over to the side, the middle, and this is me trying to adjust it back into the middle. Okay. Look at that. Can y'all see that? Hopefully. Wow, the texture is really nice. Look, that's the texture. It reminds me of like a yaki texture, like a Brazilian straight or whatnot. But I would leave like some baby hairs, like your own hair out if you have straight hair. If you have natural hair, it might work. Or if not, just take the two little pieces that's hanging down right here and, you know, fix it up a little bit or whatnot. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to see if I can do something with it. Okay, I'm back, and what I did was go in and those two little pieces that was hanging down, I trimmed them and just swoop them like some baby hairs or whatnot. But being that I haven't had the chance to really work with this wig just yet, I would leave some of my own baby hair out and whatnot to, you know, make it do what it do. But, and I went ahead on and added some concealer right here in this little piece because I have it pulled up and none of my own hair out. But hopefully it's blended enough. But as you guys can see, this wig is bomb, and it looks like virgin Brazilian hair. It feels really good. You can flat iron it and curl it up to 400 degrees, but I love it in its straight state. I mean, look at this. I just love it in a straight state. See? I love it in a straight state. So I purposely bought this wig because I wanted something straight and sleek for like business meetings and things like that. So this was perfect, and I didn't have to spend a whole lot of money on really long bundles that probably would have cost me like $200 and something. But hey, $32. Yes, look at that. So what I need for you guys to do is go ahead on, press the subscribe button, like it, comment, and share it to all of your friends so they can get with this Freetress equal Valencia wig that I am rocking right now. Like and comment, subscribe, and this is your girl Teriana J, and I'll be coming back to you real soon. Bye babes.